Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist from Grategy, coming to you live from beautiful Cleveland, Ohio. I'm so excited to meet you at the Int'l Sign Association's annual conference on April 25th in Vegas. Join me for Manufacturing Engagement, How to Keep Your Top Talent from Becoming Theirs. After spending 13 years in industrial sales, including 7 years in the welding industry, and yes, I do weld, I know how difficult it is to find people who are ready, willing, and able to do the work you need them to do. After all, you and your competitors are all vying for the same people, and they can be difficult to find. So once you get them on board, how do you keep them? How do you stop them from leaving and going down the street? Well, join my session and find out. In this interactive, informative, and fun session, you'll walk out with ideas that you can use immediately, like tomorrow. You'll hear from me, but you'll also hear from others in the room and what's working for them. It's kind of more like a conversation than a lecture, just so you know. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I will see you on April 25th in Las Vegas. See you there.